In this video, we're going to be installing WordPress using Softaculous. And I'm going to have a short discussion about how to do it manually if you wanted to. But I don't think you should with WordPress because Softaculous offers a couple things that I really like, which is the automatic log through and the ability to reset your password easily from the Softaculous console. Plus, it can alert you if something's really out of date. There's a few reasons why I don't hate Softaculous, and it's probably the most common way WordPress is installed all over the internet. I've never had any issues with it, and I think it is the better way to go this time. If you just watched my Mautic video, you will have discovered that I said don't do it that way. And if you did just watch that Mautic video, I want you to comment below if you think I should do a new configuration video and a new cron jobs video so that we stay contiguous and you can just kind of flow with them as they come out daily. Anyways, come along. Alright, so we're going to install WordPress now on wouldlooklikethis.com. So again, if you just got your hosting, it may take a few minutes for the automatic SSL certificate to be created. Almost all hosts give you one. You can already see that it's already here for this one. A better place to go look is here under Manage. And so there's all the certificates you need. You can see it's a Cpanel one. You're ready to have an HTTPS WordPress site right now. And I suggest you don't make the choice to avoid that because you'll regret that in the long run. So for this, we're just going to click WordPress down here. This opens Softaculous. And that's where we're going to do it. I'd click install. I would not put it in a directory if your Softaculous instantly wants to. You want it right at the root at wouldlooklikethis.com in this case. I thought about putting it in a subdomain called like yourwebsite.wouldlooklikethis.com, but it doesn't make sense for these tutorials. So I'm going to leave it just like it is. Demo blog to teach the basics of marketing automation. Look, Ma. Automatic marketing. So this is not going to be a multi-site. And I pretty much never do multi-sites. So and then my admin username is always just the email address, same as the email. I mean, I don't know for sure that this is a valid email address, but I don't really care either. This, again, is just a demonstration. Once again, I would generate the password. And that's what I'm going to end up doing. And I don't care if I know it at this point. If your Cpanel allows you to, I always add Loganizer. Just instantly put something in there to stop somebody from brute force attacking your site. Now that we're in the age of Gutenberg, I tend to click the classic editor here, but this is a new option, all things in. Under advanced is the prefix for your database and some information like that. Nothing that matters for most people almost ever, and you can always change those things afterwards if you needed to. The classic editor, like I said, I normally click it now because I'm not used to Gutenberg, and so it makes me uncomfortable to have to do everything in a new way. So this is what makes this actually really cool, is once you've installed it, you can just click straight through. Now, I'm going to go back to overview. Let's give this a refresh because that install should be there. Now this installs here. Then you can just click admin to get into the dashboard, and you have WordPress installed. after this, it's going to be coming through and cleaning up the stuff that automatically ends up here. If you have any updates to do to these, I would do it right away. But you're at the point where you technically have a website. And we can start working with this. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to install GeneratePress, because that's my website theme of choice, and Elementor, and possibly Elementor Pro. And we will then install the Mautic add-on and attach Mautic to this install. So I know this was like a fast and furious install WordPress, and it's something that you can find all over the place, but I just wanted you to have just the very basics so that you can go from Mautic to this as you go, and so that you're going to keep seeing these like really fundamental WordPress videos, and as we move along, they're gonna get bigger and badder and more badass. If you ever wonder what tooling I'm using, because I may install some tooling not on video, I haven't decided yet if I'm going to worry about making sure I'm always recording when I work here. Just to ask in the comments below. If you're excited to continue on this journey and get marketing automation set up and a website set up for your business so you can start to really hone in on your customers, make sure you subscribe and ask questions, or tell me I'm wrong or I'm right, or what you like. So I can make sure these videos are tailored to my audience, because, well, I love you guys. Thanks for watching.